Hi, this is Rian from Must Be Noob. In this lab guide, we will learning the steps to export and import Active Directory integrated DNS Zone in Server 2019. As we know that Active Directory integrated DNS Zone stores its zone data in Active Directory. So if you want to take a backup of Active Directory integrated DNS Zone, then you need to export the DNS Zone using DNSCMD command, or you can use Windows PowerShell. But in this lab guide, we will use DNSCMD command for that. First, let's open DNS Manager console to verify that we have existing Active Directory integrated DNS Zone on our local server. Click on Start button and click on Windows Admin Tools. Let's double click on DNS, expand the server name and expand for lookup zones. You can verify that we have two existing Active Directory integrated DNS zone with the name _msdcs.mustbenoob.lab and mustbenoob.lab. We want to export these two zones using a DNSCMD command. Let's open Windows PowerShell by right-clicking on Start button and clicking on Windows PowerShell Admin. The command will be DNSCMD/zone export space mustbenoob.lab space mustbenoob.lab.export. The structure of this command is like this: DNSCMD space/zone export to export Active Directory integrated DNS zone space name of your DNS zone, which is mustbenoob.lab in our case. Then you need to give space and you have to specify the name of that file in which you want to export your DNS zone. Let's press Enter key. As you can see, the command is completed successfully. Our DNS zone mustbenoob.lab is successfully exported into the file c:/windows/system32/dns/mustbenoob.lab.export. Let's open that location. Let's click on File Explorer, C drive, Windows, System32 and DNS. You can verify that we have one file with the name mustbenoob.lab.export. This is the file in which we have exported zone data of that Active Directory integrated DNS zone. We also want to export the another DNS zone _msdcs.mustbenoob.lab. Let's again go back to Windows PowerShell. Let's update the command by adding _msdcs. So now our command will be DNSCMD space/zone export space _msdcs.mustbenoob.lab space name of the file, which will be _msdcs.mustbenoob.lab.export. Let's press Enter key. Okay, the second zone is successfully exported. Let's verify that on File Explorer. As you can see, we have another file with the name _msdcs.mustbenoob.lab.export. So we have successfully exported both Active Directory integrated DNS zone. Now we also want to test whether we can import our Active Directory integrated DNS zone using this export file or not. To test that, I'm going to delete our Active Directory integrated DNS zone. Let's try to recreate that Active Directory integrated DNS zone by using that export file. Let's right click on for lookup zones and select New Zone. Click on Next. This time, you don't have to select this checkbox, Store the zone in Active Directory. We want to create a standard primary zone first. Click on Next. Here we have to specify the name of our zone, which is mustbenoob.lab in our case. Once you provide zone name, click on Next. Here we need to select use this existing file. We are not going to create a new file because we have an existing file. Now that file name must be mustbenoob.lab.dns. In our case, it is mustbenoob.lab.export. So we simply need to rename this file to that specific name. And this is the existing file. Actually, let's delete that file. Okay, and let's rename this export file into the file name mustbenoob.lab.dns. Let's press Enter key. Okay, let's go ahead. Click on Next. Next again and click on Finish. Let's expand mustbenoob.lab and you can see the same existing information which was earlier is available under the standard primary DNS zone. Now we simply need to convert this standard primary DNS zone into Active Directory integrated DNS zone. For that, let's right click on our DNS zone name, go for the properties. Under type, as you can see, it is primary. So let's click on change button and let's select this box, store the zone in Active Directory. Click on OK and click on yes. We also want to change the status of dynamic updates. Now as this zone is going to be Active Directory integrated and you want to use a secure dynamic updates. Okay, click on apply and click on OK. Let's click on for lookup zones. Click on refresh button and as you can verify, now must be noob.lab DNS zone is converted into Active Directory integrated primary DNS zone. If we verify on that location, let's refresh. Here we have the same file is also available here. In this lab guide, we have seen the steps to export and import Active Directory integrated DNS zone in Server 2019.